Hello you guys, hello and welcome into the Purple Penguin Craft Room. Today's craft is going to be tidings of comfort and joy, right? So this is pretty cute. We've got this from the Dollar Tree and I'm going to show you just how I put it together real quick. It's not a very hard craft, it's not a very long craft, it's pretty short. All the supplies list is going to be at the end of the video. Definitely keep on coming back and follow along so that you can see more videos. We're going to get started on this project. This is from the Dollar Tree. It had a bow on here similar to this one. You were lucky to get these when Dollar Tree had them, so I took the bow off because we don't need that. We're going to paint this whole thing in brown. We're going to start with, it's a matte finish and it's called Bark Brown. That's what we're going to start with. Just need a big paintbrush and we're just going to paint the whole thing. This is going to be a shelf sitter. But we're just going to paint the whole thing, front and back. We're going to paint the back too, just because I want it to be a little more finished. And that sticker is probably not going to come off very easily. We might end up just painting over the sticker. Sometimes, I don't know if you guys do that, sometimes I do that. Just paint over the sticker. You don't need it. May want to do 2 coats with this as well. And we are also, don't forget, we are doing the handles as well. Okay, so we're all done with dark brown. I got front and back. Looks good. Now we're going to go over and do a dry brush of the white. And the white I've got is just light buttermilk. It's just an off-white color. So we're just going to take our off-white color here. I'm going to do this messy brush style. So this is just super duper messy brush. It was from the Dollar Tree. They have little 3-packs. You can get them, you know. And we're just going to do a dry brush. And if I go too heavy, you know, I can always sand it or come back with the brown. It is a little heavier here, but that's okay. I kind of like it. I want to leave the handles though. We'll leave the handles and we're going to do the sides. Just for the most part, I do kind of want it to be a lot more white than brown, but I just kind of wanted to streak it through there a little bit. All right, I like how that looks. So we're gonna take, I got this little, what is it, Tidings, Comfort, and Joy. And I got this actually out of the scrapbook paper. It was a scrapbook sheet from Joann's. It had a whole bunch of little squares. It kind of said a whole bunch of things. I'm just going to trim it up. I want it to be a little bit smaller. We're going to stick it right there in the middle. I like it. All right. And we're going to Mod Podge that on there. I'm just going to use some Mod Podge. This is not open yet. We're going to seal it in there too. Over it. Right. Perfect. Now, I kind of want a little bit of a border around it just because, so I do have, this is Baker's Twine from the Dollar Tree. It's red and white. And I was kind of thinking on just, put it around like so, but I think I'm going to cut each end instead of like actually trying to do a round portion of it, because sometimes those, it will round the corners. It is actually just sticking with the Mod Podge. But I will probably go back and glue it down with tacky glue. There we go. And why I have this twine out too, I think I'm going to do like a bow like the original one had on the side. It's kind of cute. I'll probably just do a small one like the one that was originally on there. See if this piece is going to be too small or if I'm going to be able to get it. That piece of twine is going to be a little bit too small for me to try and use it here. Okay, let's do another longer piece that I can grab a hold of here. Sorry guys, real life crafting here. Sometimes things don't always work out. Glue that. Why not? We'll just stick with the tacky glue here. I prefer to use my tacky glue because it is definitely a stronger hold on everything. It's just a little bit here. All right, so we've got that. That's looking really cute. Now, I want to bring in cookie cutters because cookie cutters would look super cute on this. These are just, these are actually from the Hobby Lobby. These were actually from Hobby Lobby. And they came with the trees, a gingerbread man, a star, and just the three. And then another tree. But I added the extra tree here. So we are just going to take our, again, with our tacky glue. These are so cute. Sometimes you can find these in metal as well, or you could even paint them so they look more like real cookie cutters. Or, you know, if you don't want to use these You can actually they do have mini cookie cutters. You can stick like one on each side. Like that would be really cute too, to go ahead and do that. This project is pretty much done. I mean, it's super simple, super easy. Like, how cute would that look in a tiered tray? Super cute. And or a gift to a baker friend or family member. That's always fun too. All right, guys. Keep coming back for some more crafting here at Purple Penguin Craft Room. Happy crafting.